Sometimes someone leaves your life, and you cannot understand why it happened. You keep thinking about it again and again. You ask yourself simple questions. Why did this happen? What did I do wrong? Why does it still hurt, even after so much time has passed? You try to move on with your daily life, but your heart still goes back to the same memories. You feel confused. You feel heavy inside. And you try to find answers everywhere, but nothing fully makes sense. Slowly, something starts changing inside you, without you even noticing it at first. Your emotions start shifting. Your thinking starts changing. And your heart begins to go through a process that feels painful at the start, but slowly turns into something meaningful. And if you stay with this message until the end, you may start seeing your situation in a completely different way that brings you calmness and understanding. The first thing that happens when someone is removed from your life is your mind slowly starts seeing the truth more clearly. At the beginning, your heart only remembers the good moments. You think about the smile, the talks, the small memories that felt special. You miss the presence. You miss the connection. You miss the routine you had with that person. But as time passes, your memory starts bringing back other moments too. Moments you ignored before. Words that hurt you but you stayed quiet. Situations where you gave more and received less. Times when you felt small, but you still stayed because of emotions. Slowly, your heart starts understanding what your mind could not accept before. Not every connection gives peace. Not every person is meant to stay forever. This realization does not come suddenly. It grows slowly inside you when your emotions start calming down. And when this truth becomes clearer, you start questioning yourself more deeply about why you ignored these signs for so long. And then something even deeper starts happening. You stop defending the person in your mind. You stop making excuses for behavior that hurt you. You stop replaying old memories with only good emotions. Your mind starts balancing both sides. Good and bad. Love and pain. Care and neglect. And when this balance comes, your confusion slowly starts breaking. The second thing that happens is your heart starts feeling a little lighter, even if you do not understand it fully at first. When the person is gone, the silence feels heavy in the beginning. You miss the messages. You miss the attention. You miss the routine of talking or seeing them regularly. Your days feel different and empty. But after some time, something slowly changes in your daily feeling. The pressure inside your chest starts reducing little by little. Your thoughts feel less crowded. Your mind becomes less restless. You start feeling small moments of peace again that you had forgotten existed. Even simple things like sitting alone, eating food, or walking outside start feeling a little easier. It is not full happiness. It is something softer. It is relief. And this relief slowly starts replacing the emotional weight you were carrying for a long time. Then you begin to wonder why you felt so heavy before when that person was in your life, and that question quietly opens a deeper understanding inside you that you never expected. And after that, your nights start changing too. The overthinking becomes less intense. You still remember, but it does not control you the same way. Sleep slowly becomes easier. Your mind starts resting instead of running in circles. The third thing that happens is your attention slowly starts returning back to your own life. Before, your mind was constantly occupied. You were thinking about that person again and again. Their replies, their silence, their mood, their actions. Even their absence kept your thoughts busy. This slowly takes your energy away from your own life, your goals, your plans, your habits, your personal growth. But now, after they are gone, your focus slowly starts coming back to you. You start noticing your own routine again. You start thinking about your work, your studies, your health, and your future. You begin to realize that you had stopped giving attention to yourself for a long time. Now, your mind slowly starts building balance again. You start doing small things for yourself. You start thinking about what you actually want in life, not what someone else expects from you. And as this focus returns, you start feeling a strange realization that your own life was waiting for your attention all along, and you just did not see it. And slowly your energy changes. The things that used to distract you no longer have the same power. You start valuing your time more. You start choosing peace over confusion. The fourth thing that happens is your inner strength starts growing quietly, without you even realizing it at first. In the beginning, you still feel pain. You still remember. Some days feel normal, and some days feel heavy. But slowly, you stop reacting the same way you used to. You stop breaking down over the same thoughts again and again. You start sitting with your emotions, instead of running away from them. You stop chasing answers that are not coming. You stop trying to fix something that is already gone. Inside you, a calm strength starts building. You become less dependent on others for emotional comfort. You become more aware of your own value. You start understanding that your peace should not depend on one person. This strength does not come quickly. It grows slowly through silence, time, and reflection. And one day, you realize you are handling things in a way you never could before. And even your reactions change. What used to trigger you before does not affect you the same way anymore. You respond with calm instead of emotion. You think before reacting. You protect your peace without even trying too hard. The fifth thing that happens is new space starts opening in your life, even if it does not look like it in the beginning. At first, that space feels empty. You feel like something is missing. You feel like a part of your life is gone. But slowly, that emptiness starts turning into something new. New thoughts start entering your mind. New habits start forming. New people start coming into your life. New directions start appearing that you never noticed before. Your life slowly begins to shift without pressure. You start feeling more open to things again. You start noticing opportunities you ignored before. You start finding peace in simple moments again. And then a deeper understanding starts forming inside you. Sometimes when someone leaves your life, it is not just loss. It is space being created for something better that you could not see at that time. And with time, you also stop checking the past. You stop waiting for messages that will never come. You stop holding expectations that keep hurting you. Your heart starts accepting reality slowly, not suddenly. In the end, you start to understand something very important. Not every loss is punishment. Not every ending is failure. Sometimes life removes someone to protect your peace. Sometimes it removes someone to bring you back to yourself. And when you look back with a calm mind, you start seeing that what hurt you also shaped you. What left you also changed you. And what confused you is now slowly becoming clarity inside your heart. And one final thing starts to settle in you. You realize you survived something that once felt impossible. You became stronger without forcing it. You grew without noticing it. And you are no longer the same person who started this pain. If this message reached you at the right time, hold on to it. Do not rush your healing. Do not force answers. Give yourself time to understand what life is teaching you through this silence. Keep moving forward even if it is slow. Stay connected with content like this. Subscribe so you do not miss the next reminder. Because sometimes one simple message can shift your thoughts, calm your heart, and change the direction of your entire journey.